AI application in computers, mobiles, everywhere. So without this, we cannot. You always use WhatsApp calling, Meta AI, ChatGPT. Every day you depend on it, and you say that it is a ban. How could it be banned? It should be good like that. He is trying to justify his statement. And let us listen to the opponent team side why we have to ban and what are the disadvantages even more. And we will close with this.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges, and my dear fellow debaters, at last I conclude that, in conclusion, I say that artificial intelligence has significantly more disadvantages than compared to the advantages. And in the conclusion, I would first like to mention a point that still 4,000 bank accounts are in frauds. They are totally of scams and all. How risky it is to continue life by using artificial intelligence. And I would like to mention and explain about a quotation that you are my creator, but I am your master, says Mary Shelley. This is not a quotation said by artificial intelligence, but it is a quotation said by Mary Shelley on behalf of artificial intelligence. I would like to explain about it. You are my creator. It means humans are the creators of artificial intelligence, but I am your master. Now, artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role of human beings and all. Now, this made humans lose their thinking capacity, thinking creativity, loss in human touch and all. This doesn't need any sense and anything, right? We all feel that. And one more point is that Lalit was mentioning about video calls, and we didn't meant that we are talking about face-to-face connection, and what face-to-face connection is and what video calls is talking about. The face-to-face connection is something different than artificial connection and artificial knowledge. And one more example I would like to give you that between a setting sun and a traffic signal. The artificial intelligence cannot identify the differentiation between a setting sun and a red traffic signal. If it does not identify differentiation between these small things, then how can it identify differentiation between huge matters? By this wrong information in the differentiation of setting sun and traffic signal, it is the life of many people. And one more example is that the self-driving cars, which are introduced in the second form of artificial intelligence, which is narrow artificial intelligence. In that, self-driving car killed a pedestrian's life just due to wrong information which it got by themselves. By this, it got operated and it killed the life of a pedestrian. Like this, many accidents are going to happen. And one more thing I would like to tell about is job displacement. It loses jobs and it is not accuracy. To note this, I would like to give an example which has happened just now. Sophia was mentioning the point that artificial intelligence got wrong information and it got pressed the little boy's finger. And the opponent team was telling about no, it is a mistake of a robot. Here itself the information is not correct. Here itself the information is wrong. By this we can prove that artificial intelligence is more disadvantages as it happened just in the same debate as we are talking about. By this I strongly conclude that artificial intelligence is more disadvantages than compared to the advantages, and it should be banned totally. And at last I would like to thank all behalf of our team. Thank you one and all for giving us this golden and precious opportunity. Thank you all.
Saying that it could able to identify the traffic signals, the signal between the traffic red light, and could not able to sense that the red sun which is setting. So, and she has given wonderful examples. Maximum they try to defend that AI should be banned. And here the debate comes to an end. And only for the sake of audience, it is out of debate. Only for the sake of audience could get some matter. The people of this party requesting one more minute to speak, and it is not included. The debate has come to an end. But for the sake of audience, they would like to speak for one more minute. Let us listen to them. Only one more minute, one person only should talk.
Or less than a minute. Time is running.
First, she has mentioned the point very surely she said the comment on the behalf of the AI. And I want to say that Mary Shelley is an author and in the itself 18th century. She has died in the 19th century and the artificial intelligence has been founded in the 20th century. Then how can she say that the behalf of the AI, she said that statement and in something 1850s she had died and the artificial intelligence is made in the 1950s and she is saying that the artificial intelligence cannot make a difference between the setting sun and a red light. We are saying that before the invention of the car, the founder of the car who has invented the owner has not kept the reverse gear. At first, they thought that the car is the biggest failure, but after he modified the keeping the reverse gear. So, I want to conclude that AI has more advantages, and I want to oppose the points of my opponent.
So dear viewers, the panel of judges and father, and our children was given a weekdays of time to present a debate on this artificial intelligence because it is a trendy, because in the world scenario we cannot imagine without this AI, artificial intelligence. It is everywhere, be it economics and using algorithm, creating, working so many things for nationalized currency, cryptocurrency, many more things, cyber crime, cyber fraud attack, and sometimes as these people said, there are so many advantages, and by using it, it is making our work very easier. It is making our work very easier. It is accurate, faster than human being. It could do lot of works for the human beings, so that we can save time. For example, I'll give you, when the mobile phone, there is no mobile phone, people used to, it is out of debate, just listen, just for information. When there is no mobile phone, when there is no smartphone is available, people used to walk, living, taking the permissions out of their job, and they have to get out of their offices, and they have to stand in a queue for paying electricity bill, paying hospital bills, paying whatnot, many more loans, EMIs, whatnot, everything. But now, with the existence of these intelligence, we can sit in the office, we can sit in the class, we can sit in the leisure time anywhere, we can make out all these works. At the same time, our opponents said that against him, there are disadvantages, there is a problem, there is a fraudulent means of misusing money, and many more things are there. By all means, both children have done well, and I would like to congratulate you for making your time possible, going through different books. And one thing here, judges and other people, I would like to tell you that every day they are coming with a fresh matter, fresh content. So every time, first time it was one, and the second day it was one, and the final debate they have gone, everything, that was their previous knowledge is not there. They have a lot of, updation was there. So keep up this, keep going on this, and at this time.